Good evening. This is Matthew and Daz. This is 217 Top Trades. It is 9:20 Monday, start of a new week. It is week 5 with you. I am so happy that you guys are still with me. And if you aren't with me, get on board because this is some good stuff that I'm handing out to you guys totally for free. I just want other people to learn as well. That is my number one goal. So, anyways, like I said in my earlier video this morning, that the Dow was down 672 points, followed by the S&P was down 78 points, and the NASDAQ was down 258 points. You just got to look out for all those things, so they were big moves. But anyways, the S&P VIX also moved. It was up 10% today, up to $24. So you got to watch for those, and that was really having a correlation. I'll be doing a correlation video to show you guys that soon and shortly. But anyways, you got to watch for that because that really drove the indexes down, but then back up later on, as I'll tell you. FANG today, they really weighed down the all the indexes, so you got to look out for those. They were down anywhere from like 2 to 1%, so you just got to look out for that. BABA, it closed down 5% today, down to one of its lows, down to 150. So you got to look out for that. Lucid, it went against the indexes, up 4.8%, up to 24. CAT, it went down today, down to 190, down 4%. Bros, it went up to 57, up 18%, up $8. Tesla, it found a bottom at 720 on good volume, but rose and slightly closed lower at 3.8%. IronNet, it rose 10%, up to $33. AMC, it went down to $40, down 8.8%. Affirm also went down 7% today, down to 107. American Airlines, it rose 3% today, along with other airlines to lead the markets. NFTs, they went down today, along with oil on the China Evergrande news. And Win also closed down on Chanos Kinokos, short seller in the markets in Wall Street. He said that Win should be down trading around 40. So you got to look out for that because it looks like he's on the short side of Win. In other news, commodities world, gold, it rose slightly, 0.8 up to 1765. Silver stayed lower at 22.2. Copper at 4.1. Oil, it went down collectively around 1.3% today, down to 74.70. Nat gas, it went down 4.9. Corn, it stayed at 5.2, and soybeans at 12.6. Palladium, a big loser in the commodities world, that makes phones, Palladium, so you got to look out for that. It's down 6%, down to 1865. Cattle's at 1.2, hogs at 0.85. In crypto world, crypto is getting clapped. It's down 7% down today, 43,868 for Bitcoin. Ethereum's at 3,072, down 7.9%. ADA fell 9%, along with Solana down 10%. In futures world, like I said, actually the Dixie, it rose just slightly at 93.2. So that's that. But the Dow, it was down huge, down 850 points earlier in the day when the VIX rose up to 20%. That's the negative correlation there, which I'll be doing a video on. I think I already told you y'all that, but and then the NASDAQ, it went down 455 points, down 3%, and the S&P went down 109 points, down 2.5%. But anyways, my futures, what they ended up today were down 1.95% for the Dow, down to 33,909. The S&P, it went down 1.84%, down to 4,352, and the NASDAQ, it went down 2.14, down to 15,009. And the Russell, it was leading down today, down 2.5%, down to 2,179. Couple things in focus before I get out of here, y'all. I appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe. I'll be doing a video on the correlation between the VIX and the S&P, and just any other and the other markets. So watch out for that. Other things in focus are the debt ceiling. Congress are discussing, and the FOMC comes out Wednesday, the 22nd, and the China Evergrande news on their interest payment, that's Thursday. So you got to look out for that. But those are a couple of things that are driving down the markets today. And this is 217 Top Trades, Matthew and Dazzle. Goodbye.